when we go ahead and do halos, the key is that what we're trying to do is create resistance through the band to pre-engage the trunk. But now what we're going to do also is, because we're changing directions of the movement and we're doing a circular movement, it becomes a three-dimensional trunk stabilization drill. So what we're going to do is we're going to get Steve into a nice staggered stance. We're going to get that foot loaded there. We're going to go railroad tracks so that his back foot is in position where we want it. He's going to get a little tension on the band, and he's going to do a big circle by starting this arm forward, and he's going to take it all the way around and then bring it through. And then this arm comes back over top, and he ends up back in front right here where he started. Now, we used this earlier as a shoulder mobilization drill, but it can also be a trunk stabilization drill based on speed. So what we're going to do is we're going to get Steve to load here. We're going to go ahead, lead again with this side, and take it over. And we want you to get into a little bit of a rhythm and keep moving. So the movement, as long as he keeps tension on the band, and you can monitor it because you can see the band get loose as he does it. If he keeps tension on the band, he's loading his upper trunk or pre-engaging his upper trunk, really keeping it stable. Now you can see that the faster he goes, the more he's got to use ground reaction forces to stabilize it. At any point he can stop, slow it down, and we can obviously go the other direction the same way. We can switch legs. We can do several variations of this halo exercise, but it's a fun little exercise to get your clients moving while in that staggered stance of support. I prefer staggered so there's no opportunity for them to go into that lumbar extension and that big rib flare. They have to stay down here, breathing through and going through the movement. So those are staggered stance halos.